In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Revenge by Black Flag off of the Jealous Again single. But before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week, and here we go. So the song starts out with this like extended intro, which is just a B power chord. Pretty simple. Again, it's... And then it goes into the main riff, which is also just power chords. I'll play that again slowly. One more time. So all the way through again. And then after that part, it goes into this like descending kind of fill. So here it is all the way through. So that fill, it goes like this. You're basically going to bridge your finger across the 4th fret. And then you're going to do the descending pattern. So I like to use my pinky for the first, for playing on the E, high E and the B string. So. So slowly. And it's pretty quick, so I like to use alternate picking on it. So. And then after that part, it goes into the chorus. So again, it's power chords, E. And then he just hits that A one time. And then does this bend at the 5th fret of the G string. Then moves up to like a bend at the 11th fret of the high E string with your ring finger on the 14th fret of the B string. So basically you're going to push up and hold. Again it goes. One more time. Then he's going to go to the A. And then to the power chord right here. So all the way through. Again, all the way through. And I'll do it again slowly. Then you're going to go back to that B power chord, and it does this kind of chunky part, and it goes. And it's each time that he plays it, it's a little different, but that's kind of the basic rhythm of it. And then it sounds like there's some fills behind it, but it's really hard to hear. But it sounds like it's played kind of in this position with your index finger on the 7th fret. Like there's something like that in the background, then a slide up to a bend. But you can kind of ad-lib that. But for the most part, it's just this. And then it basically just repeats like 3 times, and it ends on the B. So that's it for this lesson. I hope you liked it. Remember to like this video and subscribe on YouTube. I'll be posting new videos every week, and I'll see you guys next time.